In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Hive's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to pissconsumer.com. That's it here. This website's great for getting hard to reach emails, phone numbers of customer support service for different companies and businesses. So now we're over at Piss Consumer. You want to do a search. So click on the search bar and then type in Hive, and now click on enter, and now here it is here, hive.com. So we need to scroll down and then click on where it says contacts. So we've got review Q&A contacts, so click on contacts, and now this is where they list their phone numbers or email addresses. So as this point in time, they don't have a phone number you can call, which isn't helpful, but they do have an email support here, so you can reach out to their customer service here. And if we click on more phone numbers and emails, there might be more emails here or phone numbers, and there is. So there's legal and media emails as well